This little TT, got a few scratches on it. Suspension's a bit loose, but nothing we can't sort. This one's a customer's. Airbags, nice fun job. Right, we're going to have to change some of the suspension so we can get it inside. Oh, it's the drive shaft's pulled apart a bit. Bottom arm might have come undone. So first job, we'll get all this stripped off. The customer supplied us with some new bits, so we'll get them installed, get it back on its wheels and get it inside. Okay, so that's all the damaged parts removed from the suspension. We'll go and collect up some new second-hand bits and get it back together. Okay, so first job today, get the suspension back on. We've just had to wait for some new bolts. I don't know if you can see, but I think that's mainly that one. So it's bent the bolt. Obviously we don't want to put them back in. So got some brand new ones, full set. So let's get cracking. Okay, so suspension, brakes, all back on. So next we'll start taking the wing off, bit of arch liner, and then see what we've got to contend with underneath there. Right, so that's all the damaged panels removed, wing, skirt, and it's not too bad. There's no actual structural damage, so we'll get some bits painted up and then it'll look like new. Next thing I need to do is find a wheel to go on here, so I'll have a little hunt round and see what I can find. Right, first we'll tackle taking this airbag off. So what we've got is, see this little, you can get it on the camera, some little covers on there, and then should be a T30. There's one. And then that should pop out. So we've just got a couple of plugs. Try and do it one-handed. Okay, so airbag's out. Then centre bolt. We'll pull this steering wheel off. I don't know if you can see, but there's some little lines that you line up there, so makes it easier for putting it back on. Right, start getting this dash out. Okay, so old dashboard, new dashboard. There's a few bits I need to swap over, vents and stuff for heating, but I'll get on with that now, and then we'll get this truck back in. Right, so that's the dashboard all back in. Not too bad of a job, as you saw. The only little snag is the airbag we can't put back in yet because our new one didn't come with a wiring loom, and our old wiring loom is all melted, so we'll have to source a new one of them. So that's it for this episode. We'll get some panels painted and we'll reconvene when we're putting it back together. Catch you on the next one.